Hi, my name is Finita Wilson Andrews, and I am officially a dual master's degree student here at Widener University, where I'm going for MSW and MED. Now, the question at hand, why at this life cycle of my life cycle, am I pursuing my master's degree? Well, that is because of the goals that I have set for myself, my long-term career goal that I have set for myself to become a successful licensed marriage/relationship therapist and sex therapist as well. So with having that type of goal, I of course need the credentials, right? And the education. Which leaves me where I am to this day of being 46 years young, soon to be 47 on July 29. Yay, I'm getting younger. At this juncture in my life, it's just long overdue. Circumstances and life situations beyond my control, and some that were within my control, but not knowing any better, had caused me to be in and out of college from the time that I was fresh out of high school, to having children, getting married, getting divorced, losing my mom, then losing my sister this year. It's been one hell of a roller coaster ride for me, and which is why I am currently determined to continue furthering my education so that I can be where I know I should be. After this master's degree program, I will be enrolling in a PhD program, not sure what school yet, but to obtain my PhD in psychology. I'm also possibly thinking about doing psychiatry. I'm not sure just yet, but I want to be a positive role model for my children. They've seen me walk across the stage obtaining my bachelor's degree, and I want them to see me walk across the stage receiving my PhD, and know that regardless of what age, you can accomplish any of your dreams, any of your career goals. You can be whatever you put your mind and your heart and motivation to, you can do it. So I wish us all the best in this class. I hope to learn all that I could possibly learn and become more and more acclimated with how Widener online courses, how they are ran, because I know my first class was kind of tough, but I'm looking forward to the challenge. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Look forward to us building and growing together. Bye.